Clouds arrive without a sound, covering cities, fields and towns. A reminder written across the sky that Allah's mercy is always nearby. Some see only water falling down, some see weather passing around. But the believer sees much more, a lesson from the Lord of all worlds. Every drop that leaves the cloud travels by Allah's perfect command. Never too early, never too late, always according to His plan. Just as the earth becomes alive after months of thirst and drought, a heart that remembers Allah can come alive after years of doubt. Rain of mercy fall on me, wash my heart and let it see. Every blessing comes from You, every promise You make is true. Rain of mercy, light my way, keep me guided every day. Yeah, Allah, hear our call, You are the greatest above all. When the world is running after wealth, running after status, running after fame, who remembers the one who created the rain? Who remembers the one who created the clouds? Who remembers the one who hears every prayer made quietly in the dark? Children growing, parents teaching, grandparents praying, angels recording every good deed, every kind word, every hidden tear. Allah knows it all. Life is short, time is moving, days are flying, hearts are changing. So remember Allah before the hair turns gray. Teach your children about Allah before the world teaches them something else. Teach them honesty, teach them kindness, teach them patience, teach them prayer. Let them hear the Quran at home, let them hear the adhan with love. Let them see their parents pray, let them learn what truly matters. Not every treasure is made of gold, not every success can be bought. The greatest success is a heart connected to Allah. Peace and blessings upon Muhammad, the mercy sent to all mankind. He taught the rich, He taught the poor, He taught the young, He taught the old. When people hated Him, He prayed for them. When people harmed Him, He forgave them. When people rejected Him, He remained patient. What beautiful character, what beautiful guidance, what beautiful example. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. La ilaha illallah, the truth forever stands. La ilaha illallah, the key to paradise. La ilaha illallah, the comfort of believers. Muhammad Rasulullah, the leader of the righteous. La ilaha illallah, repeat it with your tongue. La ilaha illallah, believe it in your heart. La ilaha illallah, meet Allah with this word. When the rain finally stops, the earth remains refreshed. When a sincere prayer is made, the heart remains refreshed. When Allah forgives a servant, the soul remains refreshed. So let every raindrop remain lost. Now the mercy still descends, that forgiveness is still available, that hope is never lost, and that Allah's door remains open until our final breath. Ya Allah, guide us, protect protect us, forgive us. Have mercy upon our parents, have mercy upon our children, have mercy upon the Ummah of Muhammad, and gather us all together in the highest levels of Jannah. Ameen.